Okay, we're going to open up my smart home app, and we got the over here on the right, it's called Smart Life. Open that up, and that shows you my garage door is closed. The initial screen you'll see would be this one here. We're at home. There's my garage door. Click on that. That shows you that the garage door is closed, and the door appears to be down in red. So if I click down here on the left, we'll get a shot of the garage door. Okay, there goes the garage door. Alright, so now if we look at the app, we'll see the garage door shows open, reads opened. Alright, now if I use the Alexa app, I'll go back to my smart home and Amazon Alexa and devices, all devices. Come down here, we see garage door. Click on that. This is all it gives me here. Settings. The only thing I can do is edit the name or enable disable with this button. Okay. Now if I actuate Amazon and say open,
I pronounced that in, but I'm always working on how I...
Open garage door.
Please use your usual garage door opener. To enable open by voice, open the Alexa app, go to devices, and edit your garage door's settings.
Okay, well that's the message I get. The garage door is obviously open, so I'm going to say close garage door. Close garage door.
Close it. Hang on.
Garage door. Alright, garage door is closed. Now I get a notification on my phone that says that the garage door is closed. So if I go to notifications, it says closed alarm, garage door closed. Alright, so if we go back to Alexa, it's open garage door. Okay, it didn't do anything. Let me see. Let's go back to here. Let's go open garage door.
Please use your usual garage door opener. To enable open by voice, open the Alexa app, go to devices, and edit your garage door's settings.
Okay, there are no settings to change except disable and enable. However, if I say close garage door.
Close it. Hang on. The garage door is
closed. And the garage door opens. Okay, so that's the dilemma. I cannot get it to open when I say open garage door, but I can get it to open and close when I say close garage door. Now, I may have, when I paired it, I may have done something wrong. Right now we're showing an orange light, which is, I thought it should always be blue. That might mean it's open. But let's try this. Close garage door.
close it. Hang on.
Okay. Now the light turned red when the door was open and blue when the door was closed. I think that might be part of the problem. The app shows closing, closed. Okay, now it's blue. So there's some sort of interaction there. Or no, it was blue. This is confusing. Anyhow, when I was pairing the device, I was having trouble getting it paired. It took me a couple hours entering the Wi-Fi password and going through this process, which took like a minute and a half before I would get a message that would state that the unit was not paired with my Wi-Fi network, and the light would be red at that point. And then I would have to go through a reset process. However, the instructions for the device state that the door should be closed when you pair, and then once the light turns solid blue, the door should open. So it might just be backwards. The door did not open on its own. The way I understand it, when you do the pairing process, once the pairing process is complete, the door will open on its own to indicate that the pairing process is successful. So it may be backwards. So it should be blue when the door's open, and should be red when the door's closed. According to this diagram here, it shows the garage door's red and is closed. So if I open it, it will turn blue, and it says opening. However, the light is now red, so I'm thinking it's backwards. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the device from the app and repair with the door closed and the sensor removed. The instructions say do not install the sensor until you have it paired properly. So I have to remove the sensor, which is just a matter of unscrewing the magnet from the door, and close the door, reset the device, and then repair. So I'm going to delete the device from the app, and then with the door closed and the sensor removed, I'm going to repair the device to the app, and then we're going to see if we can get it to work properly. Okay, we'll have some more video for you here soon.